Do you feel nervous speaking English in a restaurant? By the end of this video, you'll learn 30 real-life restaurant conversations and speak English with confidence. Let's start. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Do you have a table for two?
Yes, please follow me. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here are the menus.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I need a few minutes.
Of course. What would you like to order?
I'd like a chicken burger.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
A small salad, please.
What would you like to drink?
An orange juice, please.
Of great choice.
Thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Okay.
Here is your food.
It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Take your time.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Can I have some ketchup?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thanks.
Is everything okay?
Everything is great. The burger is very tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
Are you enjoying these English conversations? If yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English lessons.
Like some dessert?
Yes, please.
We have chocolate cake and ice cream.
I'll have chocolate cake.
Excellent choice. Here is your dessert.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Your payment is successful.
Great, great.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Great job! You have completed 30 restaurant English conversations. Practice these dialogues every day to improve your English speaking skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below English. See you in the next English lesson.